Good day, everyone. I will explain the difference between procedural programming and object-oriented programming using a Venn diagram. Procedural programming focuses on step-by-step procedures or functions. The data and functions are separated, and it is easier to learn, especially for beginners. Examples of these are C and Pascal. On the other side, object-oriented programming focuses on objects and classes. It combines data and functions together, and it supports concepts like encapsulation and inheritance. This is usually used for larger and more complex systems. In the middle, both procedural programming and object-oriented programming are similar because they are both programming paradigms. They are used to solve problems and create programs, and both use basic programming concepts like variables and loops. In conclusion, procedural programming is simpler and step-based, while object-oriented programming is more organized and suitable for complex applications.